Yeah. Do you still then recommend like for any channel to keep posting then 2 or 3 times a week, or doesn't really matter if I just post like every 4 days or once in a week, or
Mhm.
does it depend on your niche or?
You know, it's hard to say. You can see how, if depending on the amount of posts you make, how the views go, but you can never really tell if it's better or worse to post more or less, as long as the
Okay.
uploads are high quality, and just see why the video that's or videos that are doing well right now are working, or why they are getting picked up, and just try to double down on those topics and that video style and the thumbnail style, title style, to keep giving your audience right now, because if one video gets a lot of views, you want your next video to really look like that, so the audience that saw the first video also likes the second video, and that way they will, you will build a fan base of people that keep coming back for your content. So just make sure that you give them what they want and the quality is good.
Yeah.
Like, I would
Okay.
rather have you upload one super good quality video a week than four mediocre or bad videos that people click off quickly.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Makes sense.